Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about updating your Silhouette Cameo 4 firmware. It's very simple. All you need is Silhouette Studio software. So make sure you've already downloaded on your computer or Mac. Or if you need one-on-one instant support, contact us on the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, you can simply follow me along. Plug your Silhouette Cameo 4 into the computer using the USB cable and make sure the machine is powered on. Launch the Silhouette Studio software on your computer and click on Send. Select the machine icon at the bottom and wait for the machine to appear in the Silhouette devices list. Once it appears, it means it's connected to your computer. If you need more such helpful tutorials, subscribe to Maker today and elevate your crafting experiences. Now, you'll see a message, the firmware update available. To update the firmware, just click on Update Now. After that, wait for a moment while your firmware is updating. Once firmware is updated, you'll see a load media message, meaning it's done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.